The GuliKit has established itself as being pretty good in the anti-drift controller tag, and this ES Max gaming controller aims to be a feature-packed powerhouse. It's designed for high compatibility across PC, Steam, Nintendo Switch and Switch 2, Android, and iOS. The ES Max pairs low latency wireless performance with custom hardware features. It's packed with angle sensing, TMR joysticks, dual mode triggers, remappable back buttons, and an included Versatile Hyperlink 2 adapter. This controller targets gamers looking for elite features without the premium price tag. I ended up getting this for my honest review and testing. Right on top, we have a user manual, Hyperlink Gen 2 wireless controller adapter, USB-C to USB Type-A for charging, When it comes to quality, it looks and feels really good. This would definitely remind me more of an Xbox controller, but it definitely looks a lot better. Even though this controller is made mostly from plastic and rubber, we also have a little bit of metal. On the back, we have those remappable buttons and the switch for PC or the Nintendo Switch. Also over here is where you can end up changing the triggers just to show you the difference. Quite a lot of travel. And now if we switch it here, it's like a micro click. And I gotta say, it is pretty impressive. And then on the front, we have USB-C for charging. The centerpiece of this model is the angle sensing TMR thumbsticks. Unlike standard Hall effect sensors that read magnetic field intensity, these measure exact rotation angles. The result is zero drift, exceptionally high centering accuracy, and tight dead zones, making micro-adjustment in first-person shooters like Apex Legends or Counter-Strike feel very sharp. The joysticks feature replaceable stainless steel KK anti-friction rings, delivering a smooth glide around the gate. To cater to different game genres, the controller features 2-in-1 dual-mode triggers. It has the analog mode, which offers progressive depth control suited for racing games like Forza or Need for Speed. On top of that, it has a digital mode, which flips the trigger into a hairpin mouse click trigger with short travel distance for fast action in shooters. It is also equipped with Hyperlink 2 high-speed Bluetooth adapter. This model delivers a low 1000 Hz polling rate in wired mode and up to 730 Hz via Bluetooth, keeping wireless latency down to roughly 3.25 milliseconds. When it comes to compatibility, it's pretty huge. This works with the Switch and Switch 2 integration. It includes motion control, 6-axis gyro, turbo, and console wake-up functionality. It also features two remappable back pedals for quick actions without moving your thumbs off the sticks. Further button remapping, dead zones and vibration levels can be adjusted with their app. So GuliKit ES Max delivers solid hardware value. The combination of angled TMR sticks, ultra-low latency via the Hyperlink 2 adapter, and instant trigger switching gives it a competitive performance that launches above its price class. So if you want anti-drift stick technology, multi-platform support, and fast wireless performance for PC and Switch, the ES Max is a feature-rich budget controller worth considering.